Mac with LCW Services. We just finished up this privacy fence here in Refugio, Texas. This is a yellow pine pressure treated privacy fence. We used the 6-foot 6x1 Plex. So here we couldn't necessarily attach to this fence, but we got the post as close as we could. We used our Ditch Witch SK3000 with our 9-inch auger to drill all these post holes. Out here in Refugio, this clay gets kind of tough. Our customers here, they wanted a double 6-foot gate. So what we've done here is we've given them their double gate. On the outside, we've hinged them. Both are perfectly level. You got the through and through latch. And you can see the outside of our fence here. We did have some hand digging to do on this job here. This job took us 4 days with 3 guys. When we got into this area here, you can notice that they have cable and telephone that runs from the street to this panel. You got the pull string here. So with our Ditch Witch SK3000, we were capable of digging these holes with our 9-inch Bradco auger. About 20 seconds per hole. Now, imagine the time saving that is if you've got guys out here with post hole diggers trying to dig these through all this hard clay. If you notice down here, you can see even this stuff's hard to grade out. Once it's wet, it gets even worse.